All right, everyone, in today's video, we're gonna check out the Ridgid 18-volt brushless 1/4-inch impact driver kit. The kit includes a 2-amp battery with the charger. So let's open the box up and see what we have inside. Okay, so once inside, you can see it's a very nice molded case, although it is rather large, especially for a one-tool kit. I mean, they give you space for the second tool, but I'm not entirely sure what will go in here. Because I can tell you right now, that guy's not the same shape and doesn't really fit. And if I try my hammer drill, I mean, you can kind of force it in there, but it's a little snug, so could work for another tool if you have one of those available. Tool itself comes with the battery already mounted. We have the battery indicators on the front, and I do like that we have this extra grip on the battery removal. The bit side mount's already there, and we also have a tool clip on the side to remove the battery. Just twist these guys in, or push these guys in and remove. Tool itself, reverse, middle, should be a lockout, yep, so to lock out your tool, and then the forward. Also included is some marketing material, your instructions and setups, and then your charger. It's a 1 battery charger. And it does seem like we have the wall mount attachment if you want to secure this into place. So for the tool itself, we can go ahead and cut that guy free. Quick connect bit, just push it right in, locks in place, and then battery just slides in, and we are good to go. To release, just push forward, and it shoots your bit right out. So kind of pay attention if you don't want to lose your bits. And I checked the manual really quick, but it seems like we have 4 modes available to us. We have mode 1, 2, 3, and self-tapping mode, all selectable with the little button on the back of the unit. Low speed, so level 1 is from 800 up to 800 RPM. Mode 2 up to 2000. Mode 3 is 3400, and the self-tapping mode taps out at 2000. So I'll give you a quick demonstration through technically all 4 levels, so you can kind of hear the differences. So we start with mode 1. So it does give you some options, a little bit more control than just a trigger. It does seem to be a variable speed trigger, but more so just two speeds. So we have half speed and then full speed. All right, and just really quick, something I did notice when I was editing the video and from using the tool a little bit more, I did kind of misstate that it only is like a half trigger and a full trigger. That seems to only be the case for the first mode. So if you're in mode 1, the speeds are pretty much half and full, I guess because the RPMs are so low. But once you go into speed 2 and 3, it does become a full variable speed trigger where you can control the output of the unit. So I just want to go ahead and clarify that, and I don't want to misspeak and kind of let somebody down when they realize it is a variable speed trigger. Light in the front to illuminate your work area, and that should cover most of the tool. Also, another thing I want to show you guys is when it comes to charging the battery just drops straight in. I do like that you do have your charging indicators here on the side, and then you have your battery status up top. So since we just got this straight out of the box and plugged it in, we only got 1 bar, but I do like that it will continually update and tell you how much juice you have left in your battery. All right, so that's going to be the overview of the unboxing and the kind of general overview of the tool itself. Overall, very pleased with it. It's very polished. It's very heavy, durable feeling. I'm pretty sure this will be very good in my collection. I do want to make one quick note. I have this issue with my other Ridgid tools. If you do have the belt clip on and you don't plan on using the belt clip, just go ahead and take it off, because one thing I noticed is it's impossible for the tool to stand up on its own with the belt clip there. So if you do want to remove the belt clip, there is just a small Phillips screw that you can remove, and it'll keep this area flat for your tool to be able to stand on its own. Well, like always, guys, if you enjoyed the videos, learned anything, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have questions or you have any things you want to learn about the tool, just drop a comment below and I'll try to answer the best as I can. Until the next time, we'll see you around for the next unboxing.